In our last video, we talked about how you can get an overall snapshot of your cash flow by taking a regular look at the Knowify dashboard. Today, now that we have that snapshot of our cash flow, let's talk about how to manage it, specifically getting paid on time, so you're not always playing catch up. All right, step one is we're going to want to address overdue invoices first. We can see that we have quite a problem with that here. We have $118,000-ish of invoices open, and the majority of them are in the overdue bucket. If you have overdue invoices, your first step is to follow up. The first thing you can do right here in Knowify is go to the Invoice tab, select the overdue invoice, and send a payment reminder email with a quick click. Now, that's easy to do. But you also want to follow up by email or phone calls. One thing I definitely recommend here is knowing your best contact, whether that's the project manager on the job or someone that you know within the accounting department. Building good relationships is key here. The other thing that we want to do is prioritize large invoices. We don't want to wait until an invoice is overdue to follow up when it's something large. So in this case, we can see again, we have quite a bit more that's overdue, but we have a $35,000 invoice that's not due yet. But it's okay to go ahead and follow up on that and try to get it paid on time so it doesn't fall into that overdue bucket. The last thing we want to talk about is aligning invoices with expenses. So when we compare our open invoices amount of $118,000 to our open bills amount of $33,000, that's not too bad. Keep in mind though that if a large bill is coming due, you want to make sure that your invoices are going out before you need to make that payment. That way you're not dipping into reserves or taking on extra debt. Next up, we're going to talk about what to do when cash is tight and you're waiting on payments.